Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hi everyone, it's the unicorn here, and today I have this very elegant, yet beautiful, yet super easy to do makeup look. Now, if you see the eye look, it's like a blend of colors. There's gold, there's bronze, there's like a really dark brown, there's a pink, and it's like all blended in together, but you can still see the distinctive colors, which is super cool, and which is why I love this look so much. It's like, it makes you pay attention to detail and really appreciate it, I guess. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, first step, putting on a hydrating base. This is gonna help the makeup just glide on. And I'm going to prime using a pore filling primer. Next, I'm moving on to foundation. I like to use a thin layer of foundation and use concealer afterwards. So I'm doing that, blending everything in using a wet beauty sponge. Now I'm moving on to concealer, and I'm just adding that to the places where I need extra coverage, like discoloration, blemishes, life mistakes, that sort of thing. And the base is done. I'm just filling in my eyebrows now and extending it out. And I'm setting the brow hairs using a fiber mascara. Next, I'm going to contour using this cream stick. I'm just warming it on the back of my hand, and I'm using my fingers to map out my cheekbones. And I'm blending that out. Perfection. Don't forget to contour the nose because you want a defined face. Next, I'm using this liquid lipstick as a blush. Not bad. I'm using a liquid lipstick because first, the pigmentation is amazing, and second, it lasts forever. But you also have to blend forever and ever and ever and ever.
One eternity later.
Alright, next step, eyes. I'm using this Universe Multi-Palette in number 2 Golden Galaxy. I'm using this nude shade, and I'm highlighting the brow bone and also setting the eyelids. I'm using this cool tone brown in my crease just to define my eye shape a little bit more. And I'm using the same brown underneath my lower lashes. I'm further blending everything out into perfection. And I'm going to use this shimmery pink shade in the inner corners. This is going to give our eyeshadow look a very unique highlight. Next, this is just a shimmery bronze shade that I am blending on my outer corners in a slightly winged shape. I'm using the same bronze shade on a stiff, short brush and using that on my lower lash line. Next, I'm using this shimmery gold shade, and I'm going to be dabbing that in the center of my eyelids. I like to use my fingers when I want pigmentation to absolutely show. Next, I'm using the pink shade right in between the gold and the bronze. This is going to help blend the two colors together and also add that multicolor-ish effect. I'm using a flat brush on this really dark glittery shade, and I'm blending that on my upper lashes. And whatever's left on the brush goes on the lower lashes. Next step, highlight. I like to use a flat brush for this because I feel like highlighter works best when you really blend and work it into the skin. Don't forget your chin, cupid's bow, tip of your nose, and also your forehead. And that's it. We used all the shades in this palette. Next step, mascara. Just slap it on however you would normally, including the lower lashes. And last but not least, lipstick. This color is discontinued, but it's just a hot coral shade, very tropical and pretty. Next, I'm using a pink lip liner to perfect the shape. And we're done. Oh, the Powerpuff Girls called and they want their look back? How about no? Ta-da! This is the final look. Yeah, it's a very easy to follow tutorial, and you can basically find all these colors in other palettes as single shadows from any brand because they're pretty normal colors, but the combination of all these colors make it not normal. And I love this look so much. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it, and I will see you in the next video with more colorful looks. Ciao!